I'm Andrew Boyd, co-director of Coresteel North Harbour and based in Walkway. Duncan, the client, he had a collection of classic cars that he wanted housed. He wanted a nice man shed, but primarily he works from home, so he's got an office in the top floor. He wanted it to look nice from the front, which it does with the big joinery. Pretty keen to match a roof pitch of the house and, you know, make it complement the house and not overpower it. The flashings around it were very custom to complement the joinery. So Luke came up with a way to, get all the concealed fixings and really nicely flat panel, so there's no oil canning. There's a solid substrate behind the flashings. They're quite wide and the oil canning becomes quite visual with the dark colours. So having a substrate behind it and concealed fixings, it just looks as if it's part of the joinery. COLORSTEEL is the one we tend to favour. We can promote it as a New Zealand made product, New Zealand warranty. We can be confident they stand behind it. As far as maintenance and durability, it's certainly the product of choice for us.
The winner of the Lifestyle Property of the Year is something that started out in concept as a simple steel frame shed that's been transformed into something that supports both lifestyle and living areas in a very nice manner. On the Lifestyle, there's a 3-bay garage with hoists, so the owner can satisfy his passion for updoing vintage cars. Outside, there's a fire pit and a golf driving range, and clever use of uplighting to accentuate the striking monochromatic colour palette. Congratulations, Coresteel North Harbour. You well deserve this award.